Cardano is a mid-positioned coin with the ticker ADA that truly has a very present worth of $0.528025 and a market capitalization of $18,689,535,705, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Digital currencies sort of have kind of lengthy past a reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. These days, it's a resource class that certainly is considerably managed and, surprisingly, took on as lawful delicate, which generally shows that digital currencies have in every practical sense long past the purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors, which truly is very huge. Some essentially huge speculation banks even most certainly get Cardano and really other cryptographic forms of money all at once to truly safeguard their resources under administration, against a jogging expansion that disables the conventional monetary business sectors in a genuinely large manner. Presently, now is the right time to sort of uncover our short, mid, and long-haul forecast of the improvements on the ADA market that basically depend on the readings of our fundamentally remarkable crypto unpredictability file that assists us with measuring the market opinion and basically expect where in which the market plans to go, which especially is genuinely huge. At this point, the cost of Cardano by and large is $0.528025, while the coin at present explicitly ends up at 8th spot in the especially generally speaking positioning, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. The expressed sort of positioning explicitly is assessed based on the resource's current value that basically is duplicated by its especially current market capitalization, an equation that fundamentally is applied all through every monetary market, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients generally get the most significant information in regards to the presentation of computerized assets in their portfolios in a kind of significant way. It's likewise vital to truly consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing in an unobtrusive manner. On January 16, the cost of Cardano certainly was at $0.528273 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change added up to 2.16% in an unpretentious manner. 7 days prior, on January 10, ADA for the most part was esteemed at $0.511038, which by and large intends that from that point forward, the cost has truly varied by 0%, or so they thought. A month prior, on December 17, the market member laid out the cost of Cardano at $0.580161. Consequently, the coin essentially has made an 8.99% move to arrive at its certainly present standings for the most part. In any case, as currently made sense of, the cost of Cardano isn't the main truly factor that we really consider while making the cost forecast in a by and large huge manner. It's likewise vital to really keep a sort of sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to generally have an unmistakable perspective on where the market in a real sense is going, or so they explicitly thought. The examination of market capitalization sort of conveys sort of equivalent significance in both digital currency and customary business sectors in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. As a matter of fact, similar numerical methodology in every practical sense is utilized too in every way that really matters, decide the truly by and large position and fame of computerized resources and stocks, for example in an unpretentious way. Changes in market capitalization really certain or especially negative are likewise characteristic of the manner by which the said market could essentially be going, as well as the resource's extremely potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both pretty short and extremely long-haul points of view in an unpretentious manner. This specific really metric explicitly is likewise used to measure the strength of Cardano, comparable to the remainder of the cryptographic money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition. To decide the sort of current market capitalization of ADA, we sort of duplicate the coursing supply, the boundary that will in a real sense be generally made sense of later by the genuinely present worth of the cryptographic money under survey in an especially huge manner. Starting today, the market capitalization of Cardano remains at $18,689,535,705, which frames the reason for its truly present in every practical sense, positioning that in every practical sense was referenced prior, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Yesterday, on January 16, ADA in every practical sense had a market capitalization of $18,698,316,678, which generally is genuinely critical. Keep going week. On January 10, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $18,082,286,607 versus the explicitly thought. A month prior, on December 17, the market worth of Cardano really was evaluated to generally be $20,500 win $352,966. Complete Stock considers the quantity of coins that essentially have previously been created by different means, for example, through mining. These digital currencies can commonly be utilized either for commonly dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers, which is very huge. This sort of measurement additionally calculates the coins that especially have been progressively gotten rid of through the interaction called consuming, which sort of is applied to control the expansion rate, or so they for the most part thought. At this point, the very complete stockpile of Cardano is laid out at 36,542,697,460 ADA, or so they generally thought. In conclusion, the coursing supply truly is utilized to basically compute the market capitalization and by and large evaluate the coins certainly current remaining in the positions, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. It signifies the in every practical sense, by and large measure of ADA, that generally is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that basically are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly certainly put unavailable for general use out of the blue. It's by and large fundamentally trusted that digital currencies that sort of have a coursing supply between 60 million and 150 million sort of are the most reasonable for in every practical sense, long-haul speculation, since they sort of are generally all things considered, prone to for the most part value in esteem over a drawn-out timeframe, perhaps many years. While keeping a sensible expansion rate, pretty further appearance how the said pretty positioning all things considered is assessed based on the resource's exceptionally present value that is duplicated by its in every way that really matters, current market capitalization, an equation that essentially is applied all through all monetary business sectors in an unpretentious manner. At this crossroads, Cardano most certainly has a circling supply of 35,395 150 172 coins in an extremely significant manner. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ADA arrived at the place of $305,077,980. Showing that Cardano in a real sense is a mid-positioned coin with the ticker ADA that by and large has a current worth of $0.528025 and a market capitalization of $18,689,535,705 amazingly. Yesterday, on January 16, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame truly remained at $331,446,896 versus the in every practical sense thought. 7 days prior, on January 10, how much ADA that by and large was traded between market members in a real sense was assessed at $655,310,443, showing hit at this point